So this is hopefully going up there. I usually don't really decorate for spring. I'm more of a fall girl. Sorry, that's Luna again. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. My name is Ashleigh. Hi, hello if you're new here. I post videos every week about crafting or hauls or anything that I feel like posting that week. Might not necessarily be towards crafting, but it's usually crafting geared towards, or that's not the right way to say that. It's usually geared towards crafting stuff. So it's can be anything honestly, but right now, definitely crafting. Anyway, if you're not new here and you've been a subscriber for a while, hello and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's video, which is on a haul I have to share with you guys. But first, let me address my new space. Even though it's not technically new, it's newly remodeled, and it's very excited to share with you guys. Hopefully next week I will be posting a video on how we did all this. My husband and my dad made this table that's you currently can only see part of. It's a lot. It's a lot that I did and a lot that I worked on, but hopefully it'll be just little snippets of what we did. It's not going to be a consecutive of how each step happened, because I just tried to remember recording a little bit at a time when I remembered. That's my part of my problem, is remembering to record when things are going on, because usually I'm so focused on whatever's going on, I don't think about, oh, I gotta whip out my camera and record this. So anyway, I will share with you guys what I think I have the before and now the after footage of this. So anyway, I'll share that next week. But right now, today is a haul, and it's Dollar Tree and Michael's, and then like one thing from Five Below, which is, it's not a big deal, but whatever, I just wanted to share. I think they're cool. So let's just get right on into it, shall we? So I'm going to jump right into the Dollar Tree haul. I got $10 worth of flowers, which are wisterias and a lot of lilies, and then I think they're called dripping blossoms. Yes, dripping blossoms and Easter lilies, and larkspur, which larks, I've never heard of those, but they're pretty. Anyway, they're very Easter, not Easter, that's not the word I'm looking for. They're very springy to me, and I liked the combination of them. They are probably not the best quality because they're Dollar Tree, but also you're not going to be sitting there sticking your face in them when you're walking by my mantle, and that's why I bought them to decorate my mantle with, and help, from afar, I think they're very pretty. Overall, for $1, they're pretty dang good for fabric flowers. And then I just bought this tin as well, which I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with yet, or if I'm going to put the flowers in there. I have to figure it out, but I just thought it was cute, and if I don't use them for the flowers, I figured I can DIY something with this and see what I can do. If not now, maybe in the future. So something I see a lot of people haul from the dollar store or Dollar Tree, and it's something I've always wanted, and I finally found one at my Dollar Tree. And sorry, that's Luna, she's ringing the bell. Anyway, I finally found one from my Dollar Tree and excited to see what I can do with that. So that's all I got from there. So that was like 11 bucks. Not bad. So real quick, from the Five Below, I just got a pack of 3 scrunchies. I misplaced my other one. I think it's on my nightstand. But I've been wanting some scrunchies, and I wanted something that wasn't going to leave the crease in my hair, because I've got fine hair, and anything I put in my hair leaves a crease. So far these have not, which I love, and they're really cute and they're super soft. And I've been, like I said, I wanted some scrunchies, so I got some. Now for the Michael's haul, I even put this, if you follow me on Instagram, I put these in my Instagram, and they're just these little pom-poms. I honestly, like on a hair tie, I don't know what to do with these, but they were so cute, and they were 2 for $2.99, so I got 4 of them. Well, I got, my son and I each got 2. He's like, I was like, what are you going to do with that? He's like, I don't know. I said, why do you want it? He goes, I don't know, they're cute. So I was like, okay. So yeah, we both got some of those, and I'll probably end up splitting them between him and my daughter, one each. So yeah, I just think they're cute, which they'll probably just end up just staying with me anyway. I had a wide range of color, and it looks like we got one of each. I think they might have had some colors in there, but I don't remember colors. I just remember black, gray, or steel, or whatever you want to call that, white, and then like this black and gray, like gray with black tips. Anyway, they're really, really cute, super fuzzy, but like I said, I have no idea what the heck I'm going to do with these, but I'll figure something out. Maybe put in my hair, or in his hair. We'll see. The next thing I got are these bags of hearts. They're originally $2.99. They were on 60% off clearance, so I grabbed those because you can never go wrong with glitter hearts. And then some Valentine's Day washi tape. They were originally $5.99, and I think they got like $2, two something, because they were 60% off. They're pretty cute. I like them, and I try to gear towards whenever I do get washi tape. Even though it says crafting tape, I try to get tape that I can use for other projects. So I get like the ones with like the glitter, or like the stripes, or even just some hearts or whatever, because I like that stuff anyway. I'll use it in my planner and whatnot. I didn't want it something that was like strictly Valentine's Day and you can't use it at all. So I try to get the packs that have a versatile use out of them. Is that the right word? I think it is. I try to get stuff that I can use for more than just like one particular holiday. Though it's always nice to have them for that holiday. So I'll probably use those next year for Valentine's Day, and then yeah. And then just some sponge brushes. Pick those up because I've been needing some projects and I didn't have any. So I was like, I'm gonna get some. And then I got some embroidery hoops. And I didn't get these to embroider on. Surprise, surprise. I got them because I'm going to make a project with this, which I'm really hoping it works. I got these, and then this yarn, which was, I think, it's 40 or 60% off original price, and it was like originally like $3, no, $4. I think it was 40% off, so I got it for like $2 or something like that, two something, whatever. I paid not a whole lot for it, so, and it's really soft. I really like it, but this is for this project. Hopefully what I have in mind works out. And last but not least are these, yeah, there, are these cardboard pieces, just this wood I got here. And I got this and this one just because it's pretty. It's Galaxy. Or not cardboard, but poster board. I got these because sometimes I use them in my background pictures for Instagram. Why can't I say Instagram? Instagram. And, well, I had them before my craft room was like it was. They were kind of stuck in the side against this back wall here. Against this back wall here, but in that corner. And, my puppy, my new puppy that you guys have seen, my video of Ava, I will post wherever it goes a clip to see that if you want to see what she looks like. I had him stuck there against the wall. Well, she liked being past tense because she doesn't do it anymore, thank God. She liked to pee back in the back wall or close to the back wall, and it would run into the cracks, and then it ran, and then it got every single poster board that I owned and cardboard and anything I had saved for future projects completely soaked with pee. And I did not know until I went to clean out my room, and I was very ticked off. I was like, ugh. So I had to buy more. So that's why I got these, and just to replace those. And then this is just because, like I said, it was pretty. I'm thinking I might glitter it, but then I don't know how that'll turn out. Because in pictures and stuff, I might not want it always glittered, because believe it or not, glitter doesn't go with everything, I guess. But yeah. Anyway, that was my haul for today. It's not much, nothing special. Just wanted to get a video up, and in my new background, or my new craft room. Not background. This is my background. Yeah, I'm so excited. My button keeps catching on the table. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything I got in my small haul. It wasn't a lot. I just wanted to share. I haven't done a haul in a while. You can't tell, I'm a little rusty. But yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button if you like this video and want to see more of my beautiful face. And even though it's not, but whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.